Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and this is the second episode of the e-commerce web application project that I'm currently working on. And this video mainly focuses on the programming part related to the sign-up process, including the validations as well. So, to see my website, we need a browser. So, for the web browser, I'm using Google Chrome. So, let's see. And this is the sign-up page, and validations are simply the thing that make your data valid, and they ensure the accuracy and consistency of data. How the application of validations impact my sign up page. So let's see what happens if we sign up without entering any data. So it says to enter first name. Let's enter our test first name, and let's see. They ask for a last name. Set test. Let's see what happens. They ask for an email test at com. Let's enter an invalid email. Okay, sign up. So it says that it's invalid. So how it sends it as an invalid email? Basically, to be a valid email, there should be an @ symbol and a dot. So this doesn't have any of those. So let's include a valid email. So that's a valid email. They ask for a password. Let's enter a 3-digit password. So they need a password that contains up to 5 to 20 characters. So enter. So let's enter a lengthy password. Then. I think it has 7 characters this time. Now they are. Let's sign up, and we have registered successfully as our all validations are fine. As you can see, I made a test user account and it was successful. As you can see, we can see it in the graphical database as well. So that's that. Now I will show you the codings related to this contraption. So for this I used VS Code. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So this is the sign up code, and these are the text fields related to the sign up page, and we have to input those according to the validations, and we have to select the gender. And as you can see, it actually contains the database connection. This is the database actually, and if we type this every time in order to make the connection, it would result in repetition of the same code, which is not good actually. It affects the performance of the website as well. So I made a separate file for it for the connection, so we can include this. So we can include it just by few words like this. And this line will result to select this table, and this $num will count the table's number of rows, which is 2, and $data means that we read row by row of the gender table, and this is the attribute. As you know, this is the gender ID, and this is the gender name. So we get to see the options: male and female. Male is 1, female is 2. So that's the get the element of this input field. Um, so likewise, it um, holds the entering values and appends it to a form. Here we are using a form because we send the data in this method. Yes, post method. That's why we have type true, and this is the path, and this is what we are sending. Um, so let's go to our sign up process.php file, which is this. We get those sent data, and these are the validations. That's why when we didn't type anything, it showed please enter your first name and then the last name. And likewise, when we didn't enter our email, then they said us to enter the email. So these are the validations. That's why when we typed random data, we got red color messages. And this happens like this. If this is false, it goes to this else if, and if this is uh, false, it goes to this else if, and likewise it continues, and eventually to this point, it comes to here, and through the database, it executes this search query. And in this search query, you can see $email and $mobile, which are entered by new user. And if either of those are present in the existing database, it echoes this message in the screen. If not, it doesn't affect anything. You can just sign up as a normal user. Normal new user gets the live time and the date the new user made his account, and it's this actually. That's why we have used it as the value. So as you can see, this gets the live time, and this is the region, and that region is and that time is set up to this region. And this is the region time zone, and that time is set up according to the zone, and this is the format of the time. And likewise, this the insert query. As you can see, this is the table, and these are the columns, and these are the values that we have entered over here. And when these get saved in the database, it echoes as success, so as a response, and it and the JavaScript receives that response and pass that we have registered successfully. If not, we get to see some other things like this account already exists. I mean, this email already exists, like messages. I will show you now. So this user is already in our database. So I will show you what happens if we enter those data. So as you can see, a message like this comes, and that would be the end of the second episode. And Thank you for stopping by, and once again, thank you for watching. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you next time. Thank you.